In this video, we're going to learn how to insert both online videos and locally saved videos into a PowerPoint presentation. To insert an online video, click on a slide where you want to insert it and click on the Insert tab. Click on Video and select Online Video. Browse to the online video you want to embed. For this example, I'm going to use one of my YouTube videos. Click on Share underneath the video and click on Embed. You can edit when you want the video to start by selecting Start and editing the start time. You can also decide whether or not to show the player controls. Once you're happy with the embed settings, click on Copy. Go back to the PowerPoint document and paste into the window by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Click Insert. You can resize the video by clicking and dragging on any of the corners. With the video selected, you can edit the playback options. However, it's important to note that online videos have very limited playback editing options, and you only have the option to choose how the video will start playing. You can edit the appearance of the video by clicking on the Video Format tab and going through the various options. To preview the video, click on the Slideshow tab and click on From Beginning. Click Escape to go back to the normal view. If the settings for the online video does not allow embedding, a warning message will appear and you will not be able to insert the video. To insert a video saved on your local drive or USB, click on the slide where you want to insert the video. Click on the Insert tab, click on Video and select Video on my PC. Browse to where the video is saved and click Insert. The video will appear on screen and a built-in design gallery will appear for you to choose a design from. Unlike an embedded online video, you can preview the video on screen. You can resize the video by clicking and dragging on any of the corners. With the video selected, you can edit the format by clicking on the Video Format tab and going through the various options. Unlike an online video, you can edit the playback by choosing from the various options. For example, trimming the video start and end points. You can include multiple videos on one slide by browsing to the different video files saved on your PC or laptop. For a more uniform look, select the multiple videos by clicking on the Shift key and clicking the mouse. You can edit the height and width so they're all the same size. You can either use the smart guides to align the videos or manually align them using the Align tools. With each video selected, you can edit the playback and formatting. You also have the option to add alternative text to describe the video content for visually impaired users. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.